Okay, let's go.
I don't go outside, no, I've been laying low. I just missed the whole summer, now it's getting colder. People drive me up the wall and so I stay at home, but I'm still checking to see if they call like I was playing poker. Hey, 4 clubs, yeah, 4 clubs, I don't let them in, I put borders up like.
Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the gyro turn code in the block version. So first you wanna define the move, and you're gonna have two variables called left velocity and right velocity. So you're gonna set left motor velocity to the left velocity and set right motor velocity to the right velocity. And you wanna spin left motor forward and spin right motor forward. Next, you wanna define the gyro turn. So we have the target degrees, the KP, the mean power, the max power, a bowling code, reset gyro, and stop motor. So if the reset gyro is true, then we wanna set the rotation to 0 degrees. Next, we wanna set the deadband to 1.35. So we're gonna repeat until the APS of arrow is smaller or equal to the deadband. We're gonna set arrow to target degrees minus variational rotation. We're gonna set output to arrow times KP. So if the output is bigger than max power, then we're gonna set the output to max power. If the output is smaller than max power in negative, then we're gonna set output to max power in negative. If the APS of output is smaller than mean power, then if the output is bigger or equal to 0, then we're gonna set output to mean power in else, and we're gonna set the output to mean power in negative. So we're gonna move output and output in negative. We're gonna wait 0.0 seconds, and if the stop motor is true, then we're gonna stop left motor and stop right motor and have some time for waiting when we finish the turn.